Good day, everyone. Yes, Abiodun is back again. I, man, this life is not balanced. Honestly, I was somebody on the comment. One of the videos I did, you know, sent me, sent me a question asking me. I was like, what kind of question is it? It was asking me, my wife, doesn't want to be intimate again. She doesn't start anything that he's always the one, initiating intimacy. And asking if she's having affairs outside or, she doesn't love him anymore. And I was like, man, it happens to a lot of us, but actions, you know, reactions are a result of actions. Reactions are a result of actions. So I told him, and I was going to, make this video and say, look, there is something that you're doing that the woman is no more consistent with the way you guys started. You know, for me, I have dated numerous women in my life, and one common thing, I get to hear, from them is that, oh, my former spouse, my significant other did not provide me as much intimacy or as romance as I have delivered to them, that I have given to them, especially in terms of the bed thing. Uh, Women aren't feeling valued or wanted. They tend to shut down. When a woman is not valued, wanted, their body dies. They don't feel, they don't have feelings, to for their partner, regardless of whatever efforts you're putting in the house. But when you because you're a breadwinner, you work so hard, you provide for the family and all that, doesn't mean that she's going to be, just open to you in terms of intimacy like that. It You have to do the little things, the small things, or the small things like asking how her day was, or offering her a kiss when she comes into the house, you know, helping her with the kids, helping her make some meals, dinner. How can a woman who's gone out all day and you are in the house changing channels on TV come home again from the stress, come and cook and make the meals again, or go to do school runs and take care of the children? No. I used to tell people that marriage is not to enslave a woman. A woman is not your slave. In marriage, a woman is your partner. I tell anyone, if you are consistent with, you know, taking care of little things. In fact, when you're dating, those things that you used to do while you were dating, you should continue it. You were not living together, you were taking care of yourself. You clean your apartment if you're a neat person. You take care of your dishes. You cook your meal, or whatever way you're getting your meals. Yes, when you get married, there will be a change because maybe a woman wants to make lovely meals for you, but a woman is not designed. They are not designed to come into your life and be a property. Women are not designed to be a slave unto you. Oh, I have married. Now she can be taking. She has to be doing everything in the house. Even the Bible says they are weaker vessels. It means that as you get tired, they get more tired. You have 9 bones, if I remember. They have 7. So who should do the work more? I tell women that I meet, look, if I am going to be with you, if we're going to be married, you're not coming into my life to be my slave. No, I love cooking. I'm going to be making meals for you. I'm going to be cleaning my own clothes because my clothes, there are ways I want them to be treated. I don't want them to be, treated in a very shabby way. I want them to be treated in a very special way. So I definitely will take care of my fabrics myself. But if my wife does that, it's not bad. So if a woman shuts down sexually, shut down intimately, there is something that you're not doing right. And that is where communication comes in. You need to sit her down and find out. You guys, I used to be in a relationship where we review our relationship, our affair, we during our date nights. So every date night, we ask ourselves question: how are we faring in this relationship? How is the relationship going? Are we communicating well? Do you have grievances that we've not discussed? Do you have anything against me that you have not shared with me? Is there anything I need to know? So we ask ourselves and we come out open because we're both adults. We're way above our 40s. So we come open and tell ourselves the truth and say, look, this is what you did last week. This is what you did 2 weeks ago. I really didn't like it. This is what happened because it was a single mother. So I told her, look, this is what happened with your son. And I didn't like the way you handled it. This is that. So, and the relationship went smoothly. This is how relationship should be. You should communicate your shortcomings. You should express yourself and tell yourself what exactly is making you lack intimacy or making her not to be making moves to want intimacy. I bet you if you communicate well and get to know these things and make amends and adjust, your wife will change. She will become a tigress on the bed. Women love sex. Women love it. If a woman truly likes you, before you get intimate with her, she's already, all over the place with the wetry thing all over the place. When you meet a woman who truly wants it, who is really into you, you will know. So I told the brother, look, go and amend your ways, go and communicate, go and talk to your spouse, sit her down. You guys should go on a date and have a good time and talk about it because it's something you can talk about instead of thinking that she is out there, cheating. Not every woman will do that. Some women, they respect the marital vows so much that for a man to cross their leg, it's but impossible. So I don't want to believe that she's cheating. I think there's something he needs to amend, and he told me he thinks so too, and he's going to make amends.